How to turn on Gmail notifications. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So if your Gmail notifications has been turned off by accident or for whatever reason, and now you want to turn them on back again, this is how you can do it. Go ahead and open up Gmail, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left corner, then scroll down and click on settings, and here click on the email address that you want to activate and enable the notifications for. Say for example this one. Once you're here, go to the notifications section, which is the section that's in front of you right here. And once you are there, click on notifications at the top. You will get this pop-up right here, from which you want to select either high priority only or all notifications depending on your needs. And after that, the second step is you need to click on manage notifications, the last option, which will redirect you to the notifications center of the Gmail app on your mobile phone, from which you want to turn this option on, which will allow the notification to be enabled on your mobile. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can activate and enable the Gmail notifications. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.